Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log out from your account in the Facebook app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up the Facebook app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have some stuff. From here we just go into the top right corner, tap on the three lines. And then in this section under the menu, we have to scroll down, and at the very bottom we find logout. We just tap on it, and then the app is going to ask us if we really want to log out, and then we can just tap on logout again to finalize our decision. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.